Hello dear viewers, we are from Himalayan Beauty's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss and aware our esteemed viewers with airplane mode in mobile phones. Number 1. What is flight mode or airplane mode? Number 2. Top uses of flight mode. Number 3. Advantages of using flight mode. Number 4. Benefits of using flight mode in mobile phones. Let we start without wasting your precious time. Hope you will like and share it with others. What airplane mode is and how it can make your life easier. Airplane mode is an incredibly useful little setting on your phone. As its name suggests, turning it on makes your phone or tablet a-okay to use during a cross-country flight. However, there are actually several different uses for airplane mode and some incorrect myths about what airplane mode does. What is airplane mode? Airplane mode is a mobile setting that switches off your phone or tablet's connection to cellular and Wi-Fi networks, as well as Bluetooth. It's so called because those radios may emit electromagnetic interference that can affect the operation of sensitive airplane instruments, or, according to the FAA, disrupt service in terrestrial cell towers, clogging networks with signals from the air. Switching cellular and Wi-Fi off makes the device okay to use in an airplane. How to access airplane mode? On iOS, you access airplane mode by swiping up from the bottom of the home screen and then tapping the plane icon. If the icon is highlighted orange, airplane mode is on. Alternatively, you can head to Settings, tap Airplane Mode, and then switch the slider to On. On Android, you can similarly access a shortcut by swiping downwards on the screen and tapping Airplane Mode. What does Airplane Mode do? When you have Airplane Mode enabled, it blocks your connection to cellular networks. That's why you can't make phone calls, you can't text message friends, and you can't use FaceTime over LTE. Typically, you also can't do anything that requires an internet connection, either. So, any app that connects to a server, that sends messages over Wi-Fi, or that pulls information from the cloud is out. However, you can get around that. Once in airplane mode, you can switch on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to connect to in-flight Wi-Fi, for example, or to a pair of wireless earbuds. Cellular connection. You can't make calls, send text messages, or use mobile data to access the internet. Wi-Fi. Your phone will drop any existing Wi-Fi connections and won't connect to any new ones. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a short-range connection that lets you link your phone to speakers, headphones, and more. Airplane mode disables it. GPS is a bit different. It doesn't transmit any radio waves, so depending on your phone, airplane mode may or may not turn off GPS. While apps like Google Maps work without an internet connection, features like live traffic won't work in airplane mode. To enable or disable airplane mode on your Android device, follow these steps. Swipe down from the top of the screen 2 times to open the Quick Settings panel. Alternatively, you can swipe down once using 2 fingers. Look for the airplane mode toggle in the grid. Tap it, and your phone enters airplane mode. Repeat these steps to disable airplane mode. Note that it may take your phone a moment to reconnect to Wi-Fi and cellular data after leaving airplane mode. If your phone doesn't have this shortcut for some reason, you can toggle airplane mode at Settings, Network and Internet airplane mode. Does airplane mode save battery? Yes, airplane mode definitely helps your device save battery life. The various radios in your phone take up a lot of power, as they're regularly pushing app notifications over Wi-Fi, communicating with Bluetooth devices and cell towers, and checking your location. That all drains a lot of power, so disabling them all at once is a great way to keep your phone alive. Because your phone doesn't do as much work in airplane mode, it will also charge faster. Can you use Wi-Fi on airplane mode? This depends on your device, but most modern phones allow you to use Wi-Fi even when in airplane mode. When you enable airplane mode, Wi-Fi shuts off, but you can enable it again manually. With airplane mode on, swipe down from the top of the screen twice to open Quick Settings again, then tap Wi-Fi. Give it a few seconds, and you'll see Wi-Fi turn on and connect if your phone allows this. Many airline providers now offer in-flight Wi-Fi, so you can enable this feature to enjoy that if applicable. If you're not sure, you should check with an airline employee before you try connecting. Planes only allow Wi-Fi above 10,000 feet, however, so take care to keep Wi-Fi turned off during takeoff and landing. Even on the ground, this is useful if you'd like to block incoming calls and texts but still want to get online. Does Bluetooth work in airplane mode? This is a similar scenario to Wi-Fi. Enabling airplane mode disables Bluetooth, but on most phones you can turn it back on with the shortcut toggle. Airlines don't care much about Bluetooth, because its range is so short. Enabling Bluetooth lets you pair your Bluetooth earbuds, keyboard, or similar devices. Even when you're not in a plane, you can do this to save battery while listening to offline music through Bluetooth headphones. Does airplane mode use data? No, because enabling airplane mode prevents your phone from connecting to your provider's cell network. You won't use any data in airplane mode, but it's an overkill solution for using less data. Can you receive calls and texts in airplane mode? No, because your phone has no connection to cellular service. If someone calls you and your phone is in airplane mode, they'll reach your voicemail just like if your phone was turned off. You'll see texts received when you were in airplane mode once you disable it.